This good looking vacuum cleaner right here is called a Hoover Power Max. This one contains 5-piece attachments on board the vacuum. It comes with the, let's see, and this one comes with a power surge grip handle. It can, this can move easily, just like any other Hoover. It has a carpet height adjustment for cleaning carpets and or bare floors. A very good grip. This does has a very good carrying handle. I wish it could clean. I wish it can clean carpeted stairs with, or just using it as a upstairs or downstairs vacuum cleaner. It does come with the Type A bags or any other vacuum bags containing the Hoover name. Yep. This one beeps as it sweeps as it cleans. It has the Hoover logo on it. It has brush edge cleaning and edge cleaning. Yeah. 5-inch cord. If you're looking for a vacuum that can do multiple rooms, then this vacuum is for you. Yep. To my conclusion, this does have a 12-volt headlight, so it can see in dark corners. Very good. Yep. And also, buy more Hoover vacuum cleaners. Bye.